With vehicle diagnostics, one part that often gets overlooked is the battery. Today's power management systems rely on accurate battery data to make smart decisions, and if the battery's not up to par, your diagnostics might not be either. In this video, we dive into why battery condition and health matters for accurate diagnostics. Modern systems treat the battery as a dynamic component, meaning it's not a fixed source of power. As the battery ages, its capacity and outlet are affected by internal resistance, temperature, and health. That's why vehicle power management systems monitor battery condition consistently. Many vehicles measure internal resistance to understand battery capacity and how it charges. They also monitor voltage drop across the terminals to track changes over time. Some systems go further by measuring under-hood temperatures through sensors in the battery or battery cable. Here's the catch though, battery management isn't just about sensors, it's also driven by software. That software needs updates to stay accurate and, in some cases, recalibration when a new battery is installed. Some vehicles even require a code input for the new battery's amp-hour rating. Others need a few drive cycles to complete the reset. When it comes to diagnostics, the battery's health plays a huge role. A state of charge test is a good start, but your techs also need to know how the battery performs under load. Using a meter with a minimum, maximum function or a scope to grab voltage drop gives you insight into both the depth and the duration of that drop. If the battery is failing, it can throw your whole diagnostic process off. That's why, before diving into diagnostics, always check the battery first. If it's weak, tell the customer and ask them if you can replace it. Make sure customers know that a healthy battery might just solve the problem before you even touch a scan tool. That saves time, money, and frustration, not just for your customers, but for your techs too. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.